Dear students, today I am going to discuss mechanism of formation of alcohol using Grignard reagent. So you have read that alcohol can be prepared by use of Grignard reagent. So let us know what is Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is RMGX or alkyl magnesium halide. Instead of alkyl we can keep methyl, ethyl, propyl, and instead of halide we can use chlorine, fluorine, bromine, etc. Now let us discuss reaction. Here what happen? This one is an aldehyde. Aldehyde react with Grignard reagent RMGX. Here you see that intermediate compound this one formed, which on hydrolysis gives alcohol along with MgXOH. But this one is very important one. Now let us discuss the mechanism. What happened during the reaction is that this one RC double bond OH aldehyde react with Grignard reagent. So here you know that when this Grignard reagent approaches to this aldehyde, what happen? So as this R approaches to carbon, the pi electron of carbon to oxygen electron is attracted by this oxygen atom. Here a partial positive charge is developed. Here partial positive charge is developed and here partial negative charge is developed. So R attached with this carbon atom and oxygen becomes negatively charged, and this one of positive part and this one is negative part. Here R minus attack, this is a nucleophilic attack. So MgX attached to this oxygen atom. So ultimately what happened? R attached here, HOMgX formed. Now which on subsequent hydrolysis with water, alcohol is formed. Here of H2O, H is attached with this oxygen and OH is attached with this oxygen. So here oxygen is attached with hydrogen to form alcohol and MgXOH is side product. Now let us discuss the examples how we can react this one. We have an formaldehyde. This one is Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium halide. Now what happened? As I have told you that shifting of this one, when this approaches to this one, nucleophilic attack here, ultimately what happened? This H and this one O negatively charged here, CH3 is attached with this carbon atom and this one is H, and MgX is attached to this oxygen. So MgX. After that you have to react with water. So what happened? H attached with this oxygen and OH1 this one. So what happened here? CHOH CH3 H along with MgOH and X is formed. We have prepared 1 degree alcohol. Now if we will take this one is formaldehyde. So formaldehyde will give 1 degree alcohol. Now what about acetaldehyde? CH3COH. Similarly you can see here and approach of this one carbon atom MgX to this one. So again we have CH3 C, CH3 here O and H and MgX is attached with this one. You have to next one is do reaction with water. H is attached with this one is OH and form CH3 CH CH3 and OH along with MgOH and X. So here you will see that this one is 2 degree alcohol. Now this one is ketone, dimethyl ketone. So similarly you can see here approach of this one, nucleophilic attack, delta positive charge develop, here minus charge, Mgx is attached with this one. What will happen? CH3 CO minus CH3, and this one CH3 attached with this carbon, and also Mgx is attached with this oxygen, plus after hydrolysis H2O you can see that H is attached here, OH is this one. So CH3 COH CH3 and CH3 plus MgOH and X. This one is 3 degree. So formaldehyde will give 1 degree alcohol, acetaldehyde will give 2 degree alcohol, and ketone, dimethyl ketone will give 3 degree alcohol. Hence we have prepared different type of alcohol. Thank you.